Hey, show.
Show your mom Primo Hoagie.
Whoa.
Alright, put it down here by your belly. Alright, put it up here by your chin.
Are you going to eat that whole thing? You like tomatoes?
And meat and salad.
I wish I had a Primo Hoagie.
May I help you? May I help you with your excessive meat in your mouth?
This is the big size.
I never seen you eat a hoagie before.
But it's a Primo. That's why he never ate one before, because it wasn't a Primo.
Hey, where are you going?